Okay, let's continue the video. Now, simply what happened, guys, what I said in the last video, go to the download folder. Sorry, not download folder. Go to the Tomcat, open Tomcat. How we can open? Go to the search engine over here, search over here, Google Chrome. After letter, choose any account and then search over here Tomcat. Okay, you can search over here Tomcat, and after letter we need to go to the official.com. What is the official website? https tomcat.apache.org. Okay, let's click over here. After this is exactly the Tomcat. Which one with the three legs? Okay, I don't know why it's three leg. Simple. Now over here download versions we have. We can download latest version also, or we can download to the previous version also. Which one? I know best version is a Tomcat 9, but it's not mandatory. If you can using 10, 11, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going right now Tomcat 9 only. Even see, whenever this is our front home page, right, they also are suggesting use to your Tomcat 9. Okay, maybe there are some files or something, maybe undevelopment they have, maybe. So let's use to the Tomcat 9 only. I'm clicking on the Tomcat 9. After, let us scroll down. My Windows is the 64-bit. Okay, this is how to check. I already shown in the previous video. Please check properly. There I already shown how to install, and this step, the previous step and this step is totally same. Okay, only the installation part is different. Okay, now what happened? I'm clicking my Windows is the 64-bit. Okay, so let me click over here, and you can able to see right now it's just started to download. So right now what happened? Apache, it's even complete also. Let me right now open this. I'm going to the folder, and right now it's automatically opening in my download folder, right? Okay, so this is, see, I have to the file. This is a zip file we have. This zip file we need to extract that. Okay, so I'm not going to extract over here because I have already the extracted file. If you don't know how to extract that, in previous video I properly show how to extract and that all things. Okay, so you can see over here I have to the extraction that file. Okay, it's extract file, and you can see all inside of I have that files are available. Now simply we done extraction and everything. Right now close your file explorer. You can close your Chrome browser also. Now, okay, now just only go to the where in your Eclipse. Okay, now simple thing. Over here you can see we have to the some problems, Java doc and the declaration. Now we want over here one server. Okay, because without server your JSP will be not working. Now how we can do? Simply we need to go to the Windows, okay, and see over here show views. Go to the show views and bring over here servers. You can see server over here. Okay, if you cannot able to see server over here, go to the others and search over here server. You can see when you searching to the server name, I can able to see the server. Are you getting? Click over here server. Okay, right now see down I don't have any server. Click to the server and say open. You can see right now extra servers are open. Are you getting? Okay, now we need to select, we need to create first server over here. Okay, you can see over here I have to the one link, one blue link. Okay, no servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. So click over here. Okay, now after later there will be a means one pop-up will be a come that is called define a new server. Means I want to be a find out the one server. I'm going inside of my Apache. Okay, Apache server we are using. Let's go just to the scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and I want to take to the Tomcat 9, because what happened in your file explorer, you can see which version we installed, Tomcat 9. So if you are installing to the 11.10, then you need to be a choose that. Okay, but I want to be a install the Tomcat 9, means I already installed the Tomcat 9. That's why I'm selecting to the Tomcat 9 only. Okay, now just say select that server. Automatically information will be a fulfill, and just say next. Right now we need to choose to the directory. Directory means what? Where exactly your Tomcat is we install. So let's go to the browser, means browse, and I want to, where is my Tomcat? Inside of download folder, and you can see over here Tomcat 0. Okay, so I selected Tomcat, select folder. Okay, see path is came. Right now just say to the next. Okay, and say finish. Okay, so you can see over here Tomcat v9 server at localhost stopped. Stopped means what? It's not on yet. So what happened? We are right clicking over here. Okay, and we are saying start. Now they are saying something. Starting Tomcat server at localhost has error in occur. Means what happened? They are saying your Tomcat is not ready yet. So what we need to do? Just say okay back again. After letter go back again to the your server. Okay. Now double click on your server. Okay. Now after when you double click on server over here one window will be open that is called Tomcat 9 server at localhost. You can see there are all information relevant to your relevant to your Apache Tomcat. Now just we need to go to the server location and we need to say use Tomcat installation take control of the Tomcat only. Okay, we specifically selected that. Now after see over here star is came. Star means what? Your file is not saved here. So let's go to the file and I want to be saved. You can use to the control S also for the save purpose. Okay, now this is saved. Right now I can close and I can again restart. Okay, right click over here and say even even suppose I didn't restart it yet. So if you can go to the Chrome browser, you can say I'm going to the Chrome browser. Okay, and after that I'm choosing any one account and I'm writing over here localhost 808 and enter button. Okay, 808 and enter button. Now see what exactly this site can't be open. Means what happened? Tomcat yet not started. Means we said but we didn't restart it, right? So let's go to the over here again back Eclipse. Okay, right click over here. I want to say that start. Okay, let's go back again. Once we restarted server, it's stating to a time, see it's synchronizing and everything. Okay, okay, I think so it's done. Let's go back again over here and I'm going to be a use again hit enter button. Now let's see. I think so it's not came yet. Still is loading. Let's wait little bit. See, Tomcat has came, right? Means right now a Tomcat is working. You know, previously in XAMPP we are searching 808 localhost, right? That time XAMPP is working. Same like over here we have to the Tomcat. Now after let us go back to the over here and simple thing. See, servers are already created, right? Now after later what we need to do? We need to just make to the one web application project. We call as a dynamic project, right? So let's go to the file after over here new button sorry new we need to go and then over here dynamic project you can able to see no, right? Even guys let me tell you that if you have to the J2EE architecture we can able to use to the Java project also. Okay, but if you have installed previously your Java IDE, if you directly install your J2EE architecture then what happen? It will be not work. You cannot able to see that kind of file, right? Okay, so we are going over here others. Okay, and then we are searching over here dynamic web project. Dynamic, you can see in Eclipse link I have to the aware in web project I have what? Dynamic web project. Select over here, say next. Okay, now they are asking project name. My project name suppose for temporary I am using to the project number 1. Okay, now they are asking to select the target. Target means what? Where you want to run your project. I want to run my project where in Tomcat 9. If you are using something another version at a time you can use to the different version also. Okay, now dynamic it's automatically taking. We do not need to change over here. Just say next, next and the finish. Okay, now they are saying do you want to be open that perspective view? Yes, I want to open that perspective view only. Let's click over here. Okay, now you can see down we have everything, server also we have and it's already started. Okay, right now this is your project file we have. See, this is the project file. In your main project is an in src main your Java and over here is what? Your web app means right now this is web application we are making. Okay, and inside of the web app we have to the lib folder, in meta we have the different folder. So that folder explanation I will be give after later, but first see over here this is one project is made it. Right now what happened? We need to right click on your project one. Okay, right click on your project one and after say new. Okay, then say over here I want to make one HTML file, right? Because if you want to be a make a website then what happen? I want one HTML file. Okay, because this structure are not helping you to show something. It is just one structure, it's like a file directory. Okay, now just I'm making to the one HTML file over here. Okay, see it's automatically HTML file is going where